Happy good morning. So we're getting a little bit later start. We wanted to sleep and I hit up the sauna and then we did some breakfast real quick. Got to see Dave and Brandy. Now we're just waiting for the dome show. So we're gonna see what that's all about. Welcome to Always on the Move. Help me out, cows. Move. Now it's time to learn how to fold some napkins. Woo-hoo. Oh.
Everyone got it? Yes? No? Yes? Right now, once you're done, you're done. And
Do I have that guy making it like that? Then we got that.
once you're done, I think this is.
And then mine-
And then it's this one.
Mine was a flop.
This is a candy version.
And this is called Shenanigans with Sarah Ann. She said she lost her bike somewhere and she finally found her bike. This is outside the Brass Anchor Pub. All right, we have had a very chill day. I don't even think I haven't vlogged since lunch. I don't think I vlogged lunch. We ate at the buffet and found Lucy and Michelle and laughed our heads off. And then we ended up meeting Dave and Brandy and the rest of the gang for drinks at the pub, Brass Anchor. That was a fun time. So we got it cleaned up and now we're about to head to the MDR for gala night. Sarian's dressed in a dress. And I've just got a polo on. I don't dress up that much. That's it. So let's see what we can get into in dinner. And then we have the Carousel production of Houdini. And it's Silent Disco tonight, but we're not gonna wear this stuff all night. So let's go eat. great. Now we're gonna see the circus show near the Carousel Lounge.
Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, step right up, come closer. You won't believe your eyes. On this stage, witness something you've never seen before, heard before, heard before. It's something just like this. Everybody's looking for something. Sweet dreams are made of this. Sweet dreams are made of
We tried trivia again, still terrible at it. It was so loud, I was like, I'm not even gonna try.
But we were better than last night, so that counts, right?
Yeah, and somewhat. So we're hungry because dinner was but we'll talk more about that later. So we're gonna go find some food and see what else we can get into before silent disco.
We change into something else. It is 11:20.
we've had a long day. It's been a restful day, but we sure had some fun and definitely have laughed our butts off.
Yes.
So dinner, let's talk about that real quick. What'd you think of your eggplant whatever, Sarah?
So the eggplant wasn't really cooked. The spices were good, but it wasn't good. But I do have to say, the cheesecake with the passion fruit, oh, amazing. What about your dinner?
I got the surf and turf. Really just the turf, not the surf. I said no lobster. Hold the lobster.
Surf and turf, hold the surf.
All right. I just wanted the filet mignon because I'm like, that's a good cut of meat. Well, it was chewy. I don't like chewy steak. I mean, and it didn't have much taste. So I was like, I ate a few bites of it, ate my mashed potatoes, and then I got to the dessert. I had my favorite, baked Alaska. She asked me one day what my favorite dessert was, and I said baked Alaska.
Like I was gonna make that. Like I could even know what that is to make.
So.
But he had it, and he was happy.
She didn't even try it tonight, but it was so good.
Oh, wait. How many desserts did you get tonight, babe?
2. Because they're smaller desserts. They're not like huge desserts. Now that apple pie from last night, that was really good. But anyways, so we were a little hungry. So of course we had to go to the pizza place after the Houdini show. What'd you think of that?
Okay, well, I got onion pizza.
Ooh. No, the Houdini show.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the after we...
Oh, man, we'll talk about that in a second.
Sorry. No, the Houdini show was great. It was a lot of action, I mean, I would feel like all ages would like that show, you know? Kids all the way up to adults. It was a great theater, I thought. The way it's circular, so you can see it from all different angles. I thought that was really cool.
Well, we took in prepaid online, so at the current time, it was $12 to pre-book per person. And you got a cocktail or mocktail, depending on what you wanted. And then if you book it on the ship, it's $18. But if you have the dining plan as of right now, it's only $5 per show. So that's not bad.
Totally worth it. For sure.
Oh, absolutely. So we're probably going to book another show on here, the House of Rock, for Friday night. We're going to try. Supposedly we're already booked, but we got to double check. Our friends in our group, I think, booked it for us, but hey, we're like, no, we don't care. We'll go. We'll make it work. So then we did our little pizza stop and ate dinner again with Dave and Brandy. It's cruise life, you know. It doesn't matter. And then we went and hung out at Silent Disco, and that was comical.
Yes, that was great. I enjoyed that a lot.
So now it is time for shower and bed, and so we can get up and go to Port Canaveral tomorrow. It's a odd stop for me because I'm originally from Florida, and yeah, it's just an odd stop. So it's like 1 to 9 that we're going to be there. So we'll get off and have dinner with some more cruise friends and family, what have you. And hopefully we can enjoy the water parks on here tomorrow.
That sounds fun. Get a little sun.
Yeah, we did get some sun today, and I sort of took a long nap.
Siesta.
Yeah, with a good siesta. So, anyways, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.